club, just show a little love, represent your side like me. Round here, if you slip, you put your hand on. Try shot, a couple of them got one. Belvedere in the rear of the club, pull up on dubs, and we about to go and buy the bar up. So for sure we ain't playing, hang with no lames, walk insane. Where the party at? Girls is on the way, but up with party at. Yes, we know. I know the bottles talking all of that. You know I can't forget about my dog. Where the party at? And all my girls. Where the party at? Where the party at? If the party's where you're at, let me say. In their best outfit, just showing that skin, trying to make it on the spit. Where you been, girl? You and your friend need to come to the back. You got it locked down with your white t-shirt over three-piece suit.
All right, in this video, I will be doing a unboxing slash what I got for my 28th birthday video. I got y'all. Just in case you guys would like to pick some of these up for your summer or spring pickups. Oh my gosh. Y'all, first item of the haul is this JW P. I don't know how you say it, but oh, do you see it? Do you see the material? I'm so excited about this. This had to be my first item like previewed in this haul because what? You open it like this, like so. It just gives luxury on a budget. I put this on my wish list and my homegirl Ash got it for me. She's probably watching this video right now. Thank you so much, Ash. And she got me like a couple of things. I'm going to show you guys. But yes, this is how the bag is. It comes with the crossbody strap. I'm so excited to back this bag out. So tea, so luxe, so classy, so affordable. It's like so bougie on a budget type of vibe. I just love it so much. It has like space. It's very spacious. Let me see. Yes. Ooh. It has one little pocket. It doesn't have a zip in it, but that's fine. Like this is it. I just love that it has extra security. Even open is just a vibe. Like, let me know down below what you guys think about this bag. So cute. The color is just perfect. I feel like the color is perfect for now. This color is perfect. This color is perfect for all year round, if you ask me. Just so tea. It just gives luxe. Ashley also got me this Edam lip gloss in Sakura Shaved Ice, which I was looking for all over since it dropped. You guys sold it out on TikTok. I was making a fit out of it, a fuss, but I finally got it. And she got me the book, Before I Let Go by Kennedy Ryan. I did not read this book yet, and I'm so excited to read it. I've seen so much talk about it on TikTok, and I've always said, like, I'm going to read it. It was on my TBR list and I just never got around to it, but now that I have it in my possession, I will definitely be reading this book. If you know, you know. 2023 books had me in a chokehold, y'all. Like every book I was reading, Colleen Hoover was getting all my coins. But yes, and then we got the Edam lip gloss. You guys know Edam is popping right now. Everybody's feeding for it. I'm just so happy about this. Thank you again, Ash. Twas. Oh yes, I also got monetary gifts as well, but I'm not going to show you guys my money. But this card is so cute. Y'all cannot tell me this card is not cute. It just says, oh, hold on, y'all. It says a teeny, wait. Oh yeah, it says a teeny bit older, and my friend Crystal got me this card and I'm keeping it forever. This just screams Naomi. Like if you know, you know me. And this is just too cute, y'all. Like this is just so girl la la. This is so me. Alrighty, my next gift is going to be this Daisy Wild Marc Jacobs. My cousin Kimmy got me this and I'm so excited about it. I never smelled it before, so this is me smelling it for the first time with you guys right now. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. This bottle is so pretty, y'all. Like, what? Kimmy, thank you. Like, even if it don't even smell good, this bottle on my dresser is going to be so tea. I know it's going to smell good. Make it fan, make it fan, make it fan, make it fan. Oh, yes. Yes. Immediately. Yes. Yes. Woo. Woo. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm talking about. It's like a floral. Let me see what the notes are. Do they have the notes on the box? Oh, they don't have the notes on the box. But it's giving like spring. It gives like floral. And then it's drying down. It smells so good, like floral sweet. Yeah. Very pretty. Very girly. Very me. Thank you, Kimmy. I appreciate it. I love my friends and my family so much. Like, I love you guys so very much. Thank you. Alrighty, next is this Coach Tabby. Oh, y'all don't know how long this been on my wish list. Like, it's a shame, but I finally got it. I was like, I'm gonna treat myself. It's my birthday gift to myself this year. Alrighty, I went ahead and unboxed the bag. So tea, y'all. Like, do y'all see this? So tea. Like, oh my gosh. I'm so excited about it. I love the quality. Coach is that girl. I'm so happy about this comeback. The marketing, whoever was behind this new designs and everything, I just love it so bad. I seen Achille post these Coach sandals and I was like, oh no, these are so cute. I gotta get them. But I must say, trying them on, I realized that the toe part right here, only on the right foot, is starting to hurt me. So I went ahead and got the toe things on Amazon. I'm gonna show you guys it, but so tea. Hold on, let me get them together so you guys can see. Ooh, so tea. Like, come on, you cannot tell me this is not cute for spring/summer. Like, on a classy vibe. Yes, immediately yes. Got me this watch. I just felt like it's cute, but I need somebody to take the piece out for me and make it smaller, but this is how it's gonna be on my hand. I feel like it's just so cute. Just imagine it like tight. Very pretty, very cute, very classy. I love it. We did some damage shopping the Sephora savings event, and I want to show you guys the little goodies I picked up. Favorite ever concealer, the Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Concealer. I get it in the shade Maple, which is 8.5. So shade twin, if you out there, I do Maple 8.5. Let me show you guys. I'm not going to try it on for y'all, but when I do another makeup tutorial showing, like, I have a video idea to do like concealers that is best for under eye darkness and covering up acne scars, and this will definitely be featured in. Next up is this powder puff. I usually use the e.l.f. powder puff, and you can never go wrong with these. I love powder puffs. ELF brand, e.l.f. brand. Oh, this one is pretty big, but it's not bad. You know, you just put a finger in, tap, 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 tap. While we're on Sephora's brand, I also got their Outrageous Effect Volume Plump Effect lip gloss, and I got it in the color 01. And let's see what it's given. I'm gonna do a little swatch for y'all. Right now I got my Edam Sakura Shaved Ice on. I love Edam's lip gloss. Oh, this looks like it's gonna be so cute. Ooh. Okay, a little nude vibe. Love it. Love to see it. Okay. Also from Sephora. Alright, so since I ordered this online, I don't know what color I got, but looking at it, this, I don't know if it's going to be my color. This is giving a little ashy vibe just looking at it. I don't want to like open it, even though if you didn't know, fun fact, makeup, you could always return it. But you know, that's just wasted product. And I don't think this is going to be my shade. I'm not going to lie. Just from looking at it, it just don't look like it's going to give what it needs to give. So this might go right back to Sephora. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm not going to front. This is their matte powder foundation. This is in the shade 38P. From online, when I was looking online, is it a twist off? Am I crazy? No, it's a pickup. Okay. All right, I'm happy I opened it. This looks like it's gonna be great on me. I'm very happy about this. This right here looks, yes. I love the mirror that it comes with as well. So tea. All right, this looks like it's gonna be pretty good on me. Yep, I'm happy about this. Needed a powder. Very happy. Next up, I got the Sephora Fluff and Fix Brow Wax. And usually I use the NYX Brow Gel, but I wanted to try something new and let's see what it's given. I will let you guys know how I like this product. I hope it's good. And did it come in like a color? Oh, it is clear transparent. Next up, I tried this already today actually when I took a shower. And this is the Donna Karan Cashmere Mist Deodorant. It smells like, I don't know how to explain it. Some people said it smells like old people, but to me it doesn't smell like old people. It smells pretty good. It smells fresh, clean. It just gives calm vibes. As for lasting long, I'm not sure as yet because I didn't really wear it long enough to know. All right, so next up is this Milk Grip Primer. I've seen so much good things about this on social media and I cannot wait to try it myself. Oh, I'm so excited about it. Did I get the travel size or this is how it is? I don't know, but this is the 0.33 fluid ounce. I'm pretty sure this is probably the travel one I got. I don't know, but it's just cute and mini. And yes, why not just try it in this size? I don't know, but excited about that as well. Oh, yeah. So next up is my birthday gift. Happy birthday. My birthday was April 20th, if you guys didn't know. Let's see what's in there. Your girl is blessed and highly favored. I'm still getting the birthday gifts. Okay. Every time it's my birthday, it's always something. But okay. It's okay. Okay, it's cute. It's cute. And then it's the Seamless Cheek Color Blush. This is some blush. Cool. I got an Edam lip gloss in the color Chateau Rose. I only got this because I was settling, so I got the Chateau Rose, but thankfully Rose will be going back to the store. It looks like it's gonna be glittery because I don't know if it's coming off in the camera as a little glitter vibe, but it definitely has glitter all over the box, which I'm not really a fan of, so I'm not using it. It's going back to the store. And I do have 2 Sakura shaved eyes. I got it on right now. Now, I don't know what it's given as far as how my lips is looking right now, but I definitely got the Sakura shaved ice on. This is the color it gives off. You see? T. Mwah! Give me a kiss. I re-upped on some Summer Fridays. I didn't get Summer Fridays in so long, but I was like, let me give Summer Fridays another chance. But this one also, I feel like, this is Toasted Marshmallow. I feel like it's a glitter one as well. I think I seen online. So I might send this back as well. I don't know. Glitter, the little glitter be giving me like tiny little bumps on my lips. I don't know if it's just me. Last in the haul is this Fenty Beauty mascara, and it's the Hella Thick Volumizing Mascara, and I got it in the color Let's Be Blunt, which is not black, as you can see. It's like a brown, and I'm so excited to try this out. Brown mascara, sign me up immediately with these pretty beautiful eyes, beautiful brown eyes I have. Yes, I could tell it's gonna be tea. Like if I didn't wash my face already, I would have definitely used it, but I washed my face and then my skincare for the night already, so we're not going to be using that yet, but so tea. Very excited to use this. Oh, stay tuned. I will definitely make a video when I do use this for you guys to see. But, all right, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys found it cute and helpful. I will leave all the links down below in the description box if you guys want to try out the products that you've seen featured in this video. Shop the links. I got y'all. Let me know what else you guys would like to see on my channel and stay tuned for more. Bye.